Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy paper butterfly. So let's just get right into it. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that I have some templates up on my Patreon. I've gotten a lot of comments asking about whether I have templates for my projects, and I have a few up on my Patreon right now. So if you want to support me a little bit, or you just want to make one of my light boxes for yourself, check out my Patreon. I'll have the links in the comments and the description down below. Now back to the video. This paper butterfly is really simple to make. You need some glue, cardstock, this is the kind I use. You need a Sharpie and some colored pencils, and a knife to cut everything out. I decided to go with a monarch butterfly for this project because they're so beautiful and vibrant, and I thought that could look really pretty. The first step is to draw out the shape of the body of the butterfly from above and one of the wings. Then you want to draw out the pattern that's on the wings of the butterfly onto the wing of the butterfly. Then you want to take a Sharpie and color in all the black sections of the wing, leaving the colored areas white. Then you want to go in with an orange, yellow, and red colored pencils and color in all of the sections of the wing. I decided to layer some yellow closer to the points and then fan out into orange and then red on the outside little edges, and it creates a nice little ombre effect and makes it look really pretty. Once that's done, you want to cut out this wing, and you could do this in a different order that might have been easier, but I decided to cut out this half of the butterfly, making sure I have room for the other wing. Then I scored the body of the butterfly down the middle, folded it, and then cut out the other half of the wings using this first wing as a tracing guide. And now you just copy and trace the same wing pattern onto all four sides, the top two, and then the underside of the wings as well, coloring them as you go. And that's it for the wings. Up next is the body. I could have left it at this, but I wanted to bulk up the body and make it kind of three-dimensional and add legs as well. So in order to do this, I decided to sculpt a little body, and I didn't really have any materials, so you can just take a bunch of cardstock, cut them into little squares, stack them, gluing them together, and then you end up with this hard, solid paper lump basically that you can carve into whatever shape you want. So I used that method to carve a little body. I carved the top half, and then I did the underside. I traced the shape of that body and cut out little legs. These are a little bit thin and delicate, so you have to be really careful. And to sturdy them up, I stacked them onto another sheet of cardstock and cut it out that way so they have a little more stability. These will be glued in between the body layers. I also created two antennas that'll stick in the head. Then I assembled this butterfly body, attaching the wings, the legs, and the antenna. Then you take your Sharpie and you color in the whole body, leaving white spots for the white spots on the body. And here is the finished product. I think it's very pretty. I love the vibrant colors, and this is a simple project that you can do at home with few materials, and it's super fun. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Check out my Patreon if you're interested in any templates I have, and I will see you next time. Bye!